Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ella Berries Africa. I'm super excited to meet you guys again, and this is a very interesting video. This is a video of this bubu top. Yes, and I'm sure you're going to like it. Just sit tight and watch to the end. If this is what you want, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more interesting video. If you are a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you. So without wasting much of our time, we're going to go straight to today's lesson. Thank you. So guys, welcome back. For our today's class, we'll be needing our ruler, our scissors, our chalk, and of course our almighty tape. We'll also be needing an elastic, but this is not the one we're going to be using. This is a 1 inch elastic. We're going to be using a 1.5 inch elastic. That's what I want to use. Then the required measurement is just our bust, our length, our sleeve, and then our shoulder. Then we're going to be using a combination of these two fabric, 1 and then 2. So we start with this. Yeah, I folded my fabric into 4, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, like so. So I just use my shoulder to fold it. My shoulder is my shoulder and my sleeve. My shoulder is 16, so I divided by 2 to get 8. I divided like this by 2 to get 8. And then the sleeve is 13. So we have 8.5 here. 8 for joining. Remember, I'm going to be adding this fabric to the sleeve too. So I removed the how many inches I wanted to add. I wanted to add about 5 inches, so I removed it from here. So that's how I got the folding for my fabric. So next I'll go ahead and I'm going to slant the shoulder. I'm going to slant here like so by 1/2 inch. I don't want to slant it that much. I'll just go ahead and slant it by 0.75 inch. Sorry, 0.75 inch like so. So I'll go ahead and cut this out like so. So this is, I'm going to bring it out. This will be for the front piece. This will be for the front piece. While this one will be for the back piece. This will be for the back piece. While this will be for the front piece, like so. So I want my back neck to be at least 1 inch. My back length to be at least 1 inch longer than my front length, like so. So that in the end, this one will come to the front like so. That's why I like anything that has to do with collar. I always do it like this because this is going to be having a collar. That's why I marked it up like this, so that this one will come to the front like so, so that my collar will not be falling to the back. It's going to sit properly. Yeah, it's going to sit properly on my neck. That's why I did this. So from here now, I'm going to go ahead and start marking my my points. So for the points, we are going to start by marking our, okay, we'll just go ahead and mark our length opening, which is 10. Yes, which is 10. Our sleeve opening, I think that's the only point we need. You measure from this part to here. Me, I'm using 10, then half inch for joining allowance. That's 10 and a half. I'll go ahead and then drill a line like so. This is also going to serve as the chest line. And then I'm going to go ahead and mark my length. For the length, my length is 17 inches. My length is 17 inches, but because I'm going to be adding a band of 1.5 inch, I'm going to take just half inch out. And then after taking that half inch out, because of the puffy effect, remember my length is 17 and I took out 1 inch, which is 16. I'm going to still add another 3 inches like so. I'll add 3 inches like so for that puffy effect, then add half inch for joining, just like so. Just like so. So this will be our length. This will be for our length. So on this line here, we're going to be adding our bust. Our bust is 37. 37 divided by 4 is 9.25. 9.25. Yeah, 9.25. We'll go ahead and I'll add about 3 inches depending on how much fullness you want. I don't want mine to be too full, so I just added 3 inches. So I'm going to rule that down like so. I'll rule that down like so. Then on this end here, on this corner here, this 90 degrees corner, I'm going to make a curve because I don't want it to be pointy. I'm going to make a curve like so. So for the neckline, I'm using a neck width of about 3.5 inch, like so, or even 3 inches. Okay, let me use 3.5 inch. A neck width of 3.5 inch, and the neck depth of 8. The neck depth of 8. On where that my depth stop, I'm going to measure. This is for the front neckline. I'm going to measure about 0.75 inch. 0.75 inch, and I'm going to mark that down. I'm going to rule that down like so. 0.75 inch. 0.75 inch like so. 0.75 inch, just like so. For the back neck, I'm still going to use the same width, but the depth is going to be about 1.5 inch like so. Hope you guys can see it. 1.5 inch, and we're using 3.5 inch width too for the back neck. So the back neck is going to come like this, like so. Yeah. Why this will be for the front neck. The front neck will come this way. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. So guys, before cutting it, we need to go in here by half an inch or 1 inch. Half an inch or 1 inch. Then you join it this way. Like so. So we're going to go ahead and cut it out now. So we're going to notch here so we know where to overlap. So I'll cut the back neck like so. and then the front neckline like so. So we are done with cutting this, so we're going to go ahead now to cut out the collar for the neckline, and the band for the sleeves and for the waistline. So to do this, to cut out the collar, you need to first of all measure the neckline. So I went ahead, I placed this back neck and this front neck like so, and I went ahead to measure the back neck and measure the back and front neck like so down to this point. What I got was 24. I'm going to be multiplying that 24 by 2. I'll multiply it by 2, and I'll use this fabric to cut it out. 24 by 2 is around 24 by 2 is around sorry for that, is 48. So I'm going to take this and see if it's going to be enough. Let me check if it's going to be enough. So this is around 38. That means we are going to be joining it, and that 48 we are going to be adding about 2 inches to it. So we won't be having any shortage. So that makes it 50 inches. So what I'm going to be folding, I'm going to be using 2.75 like so. That's what I'm going to be measuring, 2.75. So I'm going to measure it all through down like so. 2.75, 2.75 like so. 2.75. So I'll go ahead and cut it out with my scissors like so. So I'll go ahead and cut another 2.75, but this time around what we have. So what we have here now is a length of 38. So we're going to be cutting out more to complete that. So for the band on the sleeve, I'll go ahead and just measure what I have here. I think we're having about 7, 10. Yes, 10. So fold our fabric like so, and then fold it again like so. This is for the 2 sleeves. You are cutting it at the same time. Remember, we took out 5, and this is the 5 that we took out. So that's what we are replacing back. So fold it like this and then fold it like so. And we're going to cut it out. So this is for the both sleeve. I want to slit this. We slit this open like this. Then we chop the wrong face. This is the wrong face. So we don't make a mistake, because they both look alike. So this is for one sleeve. We are folding the sleeve like we're folding it like this to attach it. I'm going to fold it like this and attach it. and then we'll fold these two like this and attach to the second sleeve. Yes, and this one, and this is the collar that we cut out. We're also going to attach it like so. And then for the band, I don't think we have enough fabric, but we're just going to make do of what we have. For the band, you're just going to measure here. What do we have here? We measure what we have here. That's what we're going to use in cutting out our band. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this available remaining fabric to cut that out. So guys, if you have been watching me to this moment, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos. So this is what we got for our band. This is our band. I'm just making do of exactly what we have, like so. So if there's need, I'm still going to join it. So this band is what we're going to attach to the waist, and we'll also insert our elastic in it. We're going to insert our elastic in it like so. So that's it for today's tutorial. So if you are interested in the joining, please leave a comment on the comment section and I'll pick it from there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos. See you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.